Everything I do is for my future. 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 Hello and welcome back to my video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Christina and I'm the owner of Be Simple, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video we have got some exciting things we're going to be doing today. So basically I am going to be shooting my own commercial for Be Simple. I've never done this before, don't really know what I'm doing. We're going to see how it turns out. I have watched some YouTube videos of how to shoot a commercial video in your home, and I'm gonna make do with what I've got, because some of the things they were showing me, like different YouTubers were showing me, I was like, I don't have that, or that just seems too difficult, or yeah. So basically I'm gonna just try and do what I can do. We are going to get straight onto the video and see how this turns out. Okay guys, so I thought I'd just come on here, explain a little bit about what I'm doing and everything. I kind of created this little mini studio area in my office room to basically shoot this commercial. As you can see here at the moment, I'm setting up the camera and everything like that, but I just thought I'll kind of just explain little sections of this video. So basically, as you can see, I've got my product on a white cardboard, and then I've got like a pink cardboard background. I got these from Hobbycraft, so if you're in the UK you can get these. I think they're A3 or A2, I'm not too sure to be honest, but yeah, you can get them from Hobbycraft. They weren't that expensive. As you can see here, I was like leaning the camera back and forwards because I was trying to create a transition for when it came to editing, and whilst filming I realized like the lighting wasn't right and everything, so that's why I put another cardboard just to create a bit of shadowing and everything like that. But I saw this technique on YouTube from a YouTuber. I'll put her name on here to be honest because I can't remember her name, but I saw her doing this transition, so I thought why not give it a try. And it just adds a bit of, I guess, makes the video a bit more interesting and everything. Because the other thing that I wanted to do with this video, I wanted to make sure that it was easy and simple to edit and film. So I tried to pick easy transitions to do / add to it and everything like that. Before I actually started filming the commercial, what I actually ended up doing is kind of creating like a storyline on my notes on my phone, so that I kind of knew when I was starting filming like what scenes I wanted to film and everything like that, so that I wasn't, you know, kind of lost. This is one of the scenes that I filmed. Is where, you know, I'm picking up the cream and everything, so I had to do that a couple of times to get a shot that I was happy with and everything. So that's what I did notice is this is not something that you just, you know, do it quite quickly and everything. Bear in mind, yeah, the product I'm using in this video is like I'm not giving this to anyone or anything. This is what I'm used for my personal use, but I made a new batch, filmed it first, and now I'm just using it. It's kind of like a prop, because I use it to take Instagram videos, pictures, and also TikTok videos and everything like that. So I use it as a prop and everything. So that's why I was able to put some of the products back, because I'm not going to give this to anyone. But this is another thing that I was trying to create and everything like that. And most of the ideas that I used for this video was inspired by this one YouTuber and everything like that. I follow her in TikTok as well, and I thought, let me just give it a try with my video and see if I can do it. Not gonna lie, I wanted to like for it to stop in the middle, but then I struggled to create that. So yeah, but what I also realized is like whilst I was doing all of this, I was like, okay, I need to make sure the way I'm filming this is not going to cause me a headache when it comes to editing. So I had to make sure that the lighting was just the right lighting for me, and the movement didn't include too much of my hand unless I wanted it to include my hands and stuff like that. So that's what I was doing during these clips. Also, whilst I was also doing this, I decided to take some product photos for my Instagram, and also for that I could use as product photos for when I create the website. So I kind of just did all in one. This did take me about 2 to 3 days to do. I did half of the filming on one day and then half of the film on the other day, and then I also did some more like product photos. Even though I did take photos in between, I felt like I just needed a bit more, so I did that on the third day and then started editing and everything. So overall, I'll say this took me about 3 days to film, edit, and get it ready, to be honest. So that is pretty much it to the video clip. And with regarding taking doing commercial videos and thing, I do want to do it again, because I do want to try and try out different techniques and everything like that, and see if I can, of course, improve on the videos and everything. So if you do have any tips and tricks and everything like that, let me know in the comments, and I'll have a look into it and see what I can do with regarding future videos. But other than that, I'm gonna kind of just leave it here for you so that you guys can enjoy the rest of the video, and I shall see you at the end. Okay, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna show you after I do this outro of how the video turned out, but not gonna lie, like filming it was a bit, I did find it a bit stressful just because I wasn't really sure what I was doing. I was kind of just winging it as I went and everything, tried to apply the skills that I saw in the videos to what I was doing, but it is what it is. I kind of know what the video looks like because I have already, at this point in time, I have already edited some of it, but not all of it. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, if you guys have any tips and tricks and everything like that about creating your own commercials, because I would like to create some more so that I can just have it for social medias and everything like that. Let me know in the comments down below. If you've got any questions and everything about my products, let me know in the comments down below, because basically within this commercial video, I'm gonna be also telling you guys when I'm launching the product, which I'm just like, time has gone past so quickly. I feel like it was only yesterday that I decided to do this and that I just registered my business, and now what, we're nearly near launch day, and it's crazy. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop there and kind of leave you guys here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I post, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!